That one's screwed on, remember? The door. Kind of see what we've already done in the past. So to the left a little bit, yeah, right there. And then pry up. We'll pull it now. Let's move to the back one. Here, it's stuck. We'll move to the back one. We'll come back. Something angers you. Move to the next one. Yeah. You take the corners off, you want to leave them?
I'll take it just to be safe.
So on a train system, they use a different kind of coil. In the field, we call it spiky fin coil because they're spiky fins. All this coil does is the Freon flows through it, and the air from the fan motor blows across it, condensing the Freon that's in it from a gas back to a liquid. Layman terms, it's pulling the heat out of the Freon, letting it into the air. That's why when you put your hand over the top of it, you've got hot air. So the Freon goes through the coil, around and around and around, till all that heat's out of it. The compressor on the inside right here, that's the compressor, the heart of the system.